Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making steamed veggie rolls. Just look at how glossy and delicate they are. Light, juicy, and so appetizing. This dish is simple, healthy, and full of flavor. Heat some oil in the wok and pour in the beaten eggs. Remember to add a little salt to the eggs beforehand. Cook until eggs are set. Then cut them into small pieces and set aside. Shred the zucchini into thin strips using a grater. Next, shred the carrot. Sprinkle in about 2 teaspoons of salt. We are drawing out the moisture here. Let it sit for around 7 to 8 minutes. Once the veggies have released their water, squeeze out as much liquid as you can. Then transfer them onto a cutting board and give them a rough chop. No need to make it too fine. Now we will add in some chopped green onion, minced wood ear mushrooms, and some scrambled egg bits that I cooked earlier. For seasoning, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of Chinese 13 spice. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 10 grams of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of sesame oil. Finally, toss in a little dried shrimp for extra umami, and give everything a good mix. By the way, the filling works perfectly for dumplings or buns too. It's that good. Now I'm using wonton wrappers for this. You can find these at Chinese grocery stores. Roll them out a bit larger with a rolling pin. I couldn't find mine, so I used a plastic wrap tube instead. Spoon a bit of filling in the center. You can add more or less depending on how full you like it. Brush a little water along the edge. Then roll it up gently and seal it tight. Repeat the same for the rest. Once they are all ready, place them in a steamer basket. When the water comes to a boil, steam them for 6 minutes. Now let's make a quick dipping sauce. Mix together 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black vinegar, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, and half a tablespoon of chili oil. Give it a quick stir, and that's it. Alright, time's up. Let's take a look. Wow, look at that! They are translucent and shiny. You can see the colorful filling inside. They look so light and fresh, right? Now let's dip one in the sauce. So good, light, savory, and just a little kick from the chili oil. This dish is perfect for vegetarians or anyone who is trying to eat a bit lighter. Delicious without guilt. You've got to try this one at home. It's easy, healthy, and seriously tasty. Thanks for watching. See you next time.